In this video, I am testing out these two brushes side by side to see which brush performs the better. Using the same eyeshadows on both the sides, both the brushes were doing an amazing blending job. But with the smaller eyeshadow brush, I had more control on the blending and the placement of the eyeshadows as compared to the big fluffy brush. I decided to apply the metallic eyeshadows with my fingers rather than the brushes. So now let's move on to the lower waterline, which my friends was a struggle with the big blending brush. So no, but with the small blending brush, it was just perfect and amazing. I wanted to apply the metallic eyeshadow with the brushes, but with the big brush, it was a struggle. But with the small brush, it was just perfection. It was amazing. So now my look is done. With the big brush, I had to struggle a little. But with the small brush, it was not that much struggle. So my verdict, the smaller brush is better.